Excel sheet. Though familiar, is prone to errors and is manual, time-consuming, and lacks scalability or easy sharing. A simple mistake can lead to inaccurate quotes, damaging your credibility and business opportunities. Let's dive into it. Firstly, it can be prone to errors. A small typo or a missed formula can lead to incorrect quotes, costing you credibility and potential business opportunities. Excel lacks real-time collaboration. Collaboration is another challenge. Excel doesn't support real-time teamwork, leading to confusion about which version is the most accurate and up-to-date. Thirdly, limited automation. Manual Excel processes waste time on repetitive tasks, reducing focus on high-value activities. It also has inefficient tracking and follow-up. As your business grows, managing quotes manually leads to missed opportunities and delayed responses. Fifth can be formatting challenges. Excel lacks professional, visually appealing quotes, impacting your brand's first impression. It comes with security concerns. Excel's weak security risks exposing sensitive business data during sharing and storage. Seventh can be missed customization opportunities. Smarter alternatives like quote management software automate calculations, customization, integration, and collaboration. Most importantly, it can be a time-consuming process. Quoting complex products in Excel is slow and risky, reducing productivity and sales opportunities. Ninth, integration challenges. Manual data entry in Excel leads to errors and inefficiencies, making seamless integration crucial. And finally, it lacks professionalism. Excel quotes may lack professionalism, impacting client perception and your competitive edge. So, ditch Excel for a modern quote management software like VarStreet. With automated calculations, customizable templates, and seamless integrations, VarStreet helps you create accurate, professional quotes in minutes, boosting efficiency, accuracy, and sales. Ready to upgrade your quoting process? Try VarStreet today.